Ahoj, jak se máš? Do you sometimes feel frustrated that you're speaking Czech like a child? Or maybe your reactions are too slow? You might feel lack of confidence, or maybe you're overthinking the Czech grammar. I've been there too with my French, and that's why now I want to help you to overcome those frustrations. And I'm launching the 21-day grammar challenge level 2 already. And right now I'm inviting you to have a look how it looks like inside this program. Jdeme na to. Ahoj, jak se dneska daří? Are you ready for another grammar adventure? Today we're going to look at the difference between kde a kam. Ahoj, jak to dneska jde? Jak se daří? Těšíš se? Today we're going to practice something that's very useful in everyday conversations. It's telling time. We will jump into the past version. For example, how would you say, when I was small, I liked dark chocolate? In Czech. Když jsem byla malá, chutnala mi tmavá čokoláda. Chutnala mi tmavá čokoláda. So the dark chocolate, feminine, was tasteful for me. To me. Chutnala mi tmavá čokoláda. Let's start with a tricky part for non-native speakers. It's kind of a logic twist, let's say, because in Czech it's not you who likes or dislikes something. And we will say the time, like not around 5, but we will say, or not around 5 o'clock, but we will say around 5th hour. Around 5th hour. Because I want you to sound more natural and to be used to hearing the more natural and more common way. Hele, to je spisovatel Karel Čapek. Četla jsi o něm? Jo, četla jsem o něm. Rád se bavíš o rodině? Jo, rád se o ní bavím. Tak co? Would you like to join me on this exciting journey? You can enroll the course or the program on the slowczech website in the section Courses. Těším se na tebe, měj se hezky, uč se česky a čau!